Welcome to Home Biz Tax Talk. My name is Lysandra Everett. I am the Home Biz Tax Lady and principal owner of Everett's Tax Solutions, where we help you win the tax game. Home Biz Tax Talk airs Monday through Friday, and when you tune into my show, you're going to hear about topics that are important to the home business community. Now, you guys, I got to tell you, this really irked my entire soul. So first of all, I'm already annoyed with fraudulent tax preparers because they give good tax preparers a bad name and make it harder for us to help clients. Well, now somebody else has crossed yet another line. So there is someone out of Florida who was a phony tax negotiator. She was marketing herself as an IRS tax debt negotiator. And so what she did and stole money from her clients. And so it says that between 2013 and 2020, her name is Jocelyn Antonia Lynch. She was marketing herself as someone who could help you settle your IRS debt. Now, again, this bothers me so because dealing with IRS debt is a scary thing, okay? We're dealing with government entities, and tax debt, whether it's federal or state, can be a very scary thing. And so you do have reputable people out here to help you, but it's people like this person who make it hard for us. Okay, I'm off that soapbox. Let me get back to it. All right. So she, what she did was claim to her clients that she had settled their debt, and then she was instructing her clients to make their checks out to her, and then she would forward the money to the IRS. Can I tell you that's not how that works? And so what she did then was spent their money on her stuff, on her personal expenses. It doesn't say exactly what she spent her money on, but she defrauded a total of 16 people. So she was sentenced to 63 months in prison, followed by 3 years of supervised release, and ordered to pay $867,000 in restitution to her victims. Okay, so let's talk about how this went wrong. Now, do you have people who can represent you and help settle your debt? Yes, there are. These are enrolled agents, they're CPAs, they're tax attorneys. They are not just, random people out here on the street. When you're representing a client, and like I am an enrolled agent, therefore the client can sign a power of attorney, and that will allow me to speak to the IRS on their behalf, to negotiate their debt on their behalf, to come to whatever resolution we can come to on their behalf. However, that does not mean then that the client is now has to pay me their money. Any payments that you make go directly to the IRS. Okay, we tell you how and when you need to pay or set up a direct debit, but you might pay us your fee for us assisting you, but you don't pay us your debt. That money does not come through us, then go to the IRS. Any payments that you make should go directly to the IRS, whether you send them a check or a money order, or if you have a direct debit. I, as a tax professional, will not be making payments on your behalf to the IRS. That's not how that works. But these people didn't know, which is why I am making this video. And the other part about this is that these clients still owe this debt. They now may have extenuating circumstances to where, they're, still working out some sort of payment plan, but they still got to pay this debt after this woman stole their money. That is what sets me on fire, because they still got to deal with this after this person stole from them. So now I want you to know that the IRS does have debt collection agencies that they have partnered with. So please understand that there are the national debt settlement companies out there, which have enrolled agents, CPAs, and tax attorneys working for them. There are enrolled agents that have their own tax relief companies that help with that. Again, they're enrolled agents that are there. They are credentialed people. Okay. But there are 3 private collection agencies, and this is as of September 23rd, 2021. There's CBE out of Waterloo, Iowa. There's Coast Professional Incorporated out of Albion, New York. And then there's Conserve out of Fairport, New York. Those are the 3 outside private debt collection agencies that the IRS has contracted with to help collect their debt. But even still, even if these people reach out to you, you can request to have your case go back to the IRS. Okay, if you're not, feeling working with those people, you can request that, or you can hire an enrolled agent to help you. But listen to me. The one thing I want you to take from this video is that if someone tells you, hey, give me your money and I'm going to pay the IRS for you, run. A professional should be telling you how to pay the IRS yourself. They should be, tell you what website to go to, which is usually irs.gov/payments to pay your taxes online. It is not writing out a check to Jane Doe and for your tax bill. That's not how this works. And even with refunds, your refunds should not be coming through a tax professional. Now, do you have bank products where it goes through a bank? Then the bank takes the tax preparation fee out, and then the rest is distributed to you. But that's a bank. That's not your tax refund going to someone personally, and then they disperse the funds to you. That is also not how that works. Your money should not be going through a tax professional at all. So, so she was sentenced to 5 years, and I really hope that she is able to give these victims their money back. Because who knows, they may have taken out loans or anything to pay this debt. And she thought, these people thought that she was helping them, and she took their money, and they still have this tax debt to pay while she sits in prison for 5 years. And then hopefully she'll be able to pay them their money back. So you really got to be careful with who you're dealing with. It is okay to ask for credentials. It's okay to, to go check somebody out. Absolutely. Go do those things, because that is only going to protect you, the consumer. Will there be some people who get, who get upset because you're checking their credentials? Yes. Oh, well, if you don't feel comfortable as a consumer, walk away. It's just that simple. I have people, even though I've made a million videos and all of this stuff, people still ask me for my credentials, and I'm completely okay with that because I got receipts. It's the people that don't have receipts that got problems. Okay? So I hope this helps you out, and just understanding that when you're paying the IRS, when you're dealing with tax debt, your money goes to the IRS. It goes to the state. It doesn't go through anybody. Okay? So that's it. All right. But yeah, I'm really annoyed at this. I'm really, I'm shocked at this. I guess I shouldn't be shocked, but I am, because it's still happening and people are still being taken advantage of every day. And then still having to deal with the debt that they thought that they fixed. So it is what it is. All right. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to Home Biz Tax Talk. Again, we air Monday through Friday, and you can come right here and get your questions answered about your home business taxes. All right. Have a great day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.